In this video, we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on HLBZ. Now, again, this is technical analysis, so if fundamental news comes out, again, be looking to play the fundamental news. Fundamentals are always going to override the technicals. So, what are we looking at, though, going forward? So, coming into around 60 cents, we do have a key resistance on the 6-month. And after that, we do have a key resistance on the 1 year at 90 cents. So these are going to be key resistances. And if you can be a bit more patient and you want the highest probability trading opportunities, that's what we are paying attention to. The first time we hit these levels, expect a pullback. If we end up breaking the 60 cents, for example, then you're looking to break through, come back to test as a support. Then I'm looking to play direction to 90 cents. So again, that's how you use the levels, or at least how I use them. Again, you may use them in different ways, but this is just where we expect high basically volume to come in. This is where algorithms are triggering. So again, every time you see them come into deviations, that's why you'll see volume have a massive increase. Now, these are quite far from where we are now. Requires the stock to increase by about 200% to hit even that first level. So what can we do then instead? What we can do is cut down to a 30 and 90 day time frame. Again, these won't be as strong, but they will still provide a trading opportunity. Definitely more of a day trading bias, but definitely opportunity there. So if we start falling in price, we do have supports at 16 cents, 12 cents, and a final one basically at 8 cents. So these are key supports I'd be paying attention to if we start to fall in price. Again, how do we look to trade them? The first time you hit it, look for that bounce. If we end up coming back down, then look to play direction. So we want to see a breakthrough, come back to retest it as resistance, and if it holds, then we're looking to play direction down to 12 cents. Now, on the other hand, if we start pushing up in price, we have resistances at 24, 33, 27, 31 cents. These are going to be our key resistances. And again, basically, you can see how they played out here. How do you look to play it? The first time you hit, you play the pullback. If you end up breaking through, then again, you want that retest, and then you can play a bit of direction. So again, quite easy to be, or kind of easy to see how they're tradable. Get it easier if you're on the longer term time frame, so the 6-month and the 1 year, so the 60 cents and the 90 cents. But if you're looking to get some more kind of recent trades in the next few days or weeks, these are levels that we can be paying attention to. Again, probably a bit less size and only looking for day trades just because they're less probable to work than the longer term time frame. But again, still relatively high success rates. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on HLBZ. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.